You're not going to tell people who have invested billions of dollars to stop it, right? People are still looking for how to get land to buy data centers and stuff. So it's literally we're transitioning into that way of life and way of working. And the people who use AI get things done faster. AI is basically still an enabler the way we use like all the other tools that we have. So yes, it may probably like some people may use it and not use it as well, but even if you're talented and you use AI, that just helps you do things faster, helps you. You don't have to start cracking your brain for certain things. There's some things you can just, you have your idea, you basically put it in. It gives you a lot of things to think about that you typically not have thought about before because you were trying to crack your brain, and now AI is more or less like your brainstormer. So yeah, you can strategize with it, you can brainstorm with it, along with friends and all. You can even, create some form of workflow with it that just helps you in the long run. But that's the beauty of AI. Don't push it away. Just accept it because it's not going anywhere at the end of the day.